Welcome. Today's video is going to be a little bit more fun. So we got two iPhones. One is a fake and one is actually an original one. They're both 10s and we're going to basically compare them. So jumping straight to it, we're going to start with the packaging itself, and we're going to start with the fake one. So let me put this one on the side and then take this. So the packaging itself is, well, not that bad, honestly. Could have been worse. Then you have a little brochure with something stuck here. Oh well. Designed by Apple in California. Cool. Then we have hello. That's about it here. Also no stickers. That's a shame. Welcome to use iPhone. Okay, some nice grammar there. Face ID can unlock iPhone by face recognition, authorization, Apple Pay, payment, and more operations. Okay, so there's a comma, but there is no period. Supposedly, maybe there should have been more of them. Not sure. Well, whatever. Let's put that on the side. Now here's the phone. Amazing, almost. Gonna put it on the side for now. And we're gonna jump into the accessories, which is some fake power brick without even Apple. What is that? A lemon? Not sure if that's supposed to be a logo on the green little thing. Whatever. From what I can see, it's 5 volts, 1 ampere. So same thing as Apple. Then we actually get headphones, which surprisingly look like they're actually made by Apple, which is genuinely a surprise to me. And cable's not here. Oh well. So putting that on the side. Now comes the real iPhone, which already feels a little bit better to open. User manual with the, oh look at that, stickers. Then a fairly hefty amount of info there. Different languages. The SIM tool is actually here, so don't worry, it's not like it didn't come with it. So yeah, just gonna put that on the side. Then there's the phone. Now both of those phones were already set up, so that's where they're on. Also went to check them out, so I actually know what to say in a way. So there we go, there is a charger. There is actually a Apple branding, so at least that's good. It's made out of renewable material, or what is the word I'm looking for? Basically paper and a little bit more eco-friendly stuff. So yeah, then there is the headphones and the cable itself. I'll mention the other one came in plastic, little casing, unlike this thing. So putting that on the side, we're gonna go to the phones itself and let's get them in the shot. So you can see a little bit different wallpaper, and I'm not sure if you can see this amazing engineering. The additional notch, because the screen didn't actually come with a notch like iPhone or most of the phones recently. So they decided to add it in the screen as a black border. It's not actually there. It just cuts off pixels from there. Amazing. Why add features when you can take them away? I mean, Steve Jobs would be really proud. Other than that, maybe there's also a way to bring it back, because it's really just removing the screen instead of adding more, as it's supposed to. But disregarding that, we're gonna, as you can already see, the phone is kind of slow, like really slow. The chin is hideous, and I'm not sure, did it just get stuck? Oh no, okay, there we go. Yeah, as you can see, the chin is massive compared to the iPhone, which barely has any. Actually, let's take a look around the phone. So we get, let me move that out of the side. So They're close to the same height, or I would say actually they are the same height. It looks like the antenna bands are also in the same place. Not sure if you can see it on the black one. It's kind of hard to see on a camera, I think. But they're about the same height there. The back looks similar. The front, the other side, actually looks fairly similar, to be honest, apart from that amazing screen being just the worst quality of this device. So once we realize that there is a massive chin and a hideous display, I can jump to the experience of using such an amazing device. So I'm gonna open a camera. That should be a fun comparison. Okay, let's see, I took a photo. Honestly, could have been worse. I was actually expecting it to be way worse than this. But then I'm pretty sure one of the lenses is, I think, fake. I'm not really sure, but let me see. Can't really tell, but it kind of looks a little bit fake to me. Also, let's do the same thing with the other one. So I'm pretty sure iPhone was still gonna do better photos at night, but I have lights on. It would have been a little bit of a challenge turning them off right now just to show you that, but if you're interested, you can always look at photos made by iPhone at night and you'll get the idea of how trash probably this phone is. No, I'm not trying to take a photo, I'm trying to close it. Okay, that took a little bit more fiddling around to close Simple up. Now what else we got here? Some toggles, cool. Okay, not much brighter. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Actually, I want to check something. Let me bring my device. Gonna go into settings on my phone. Okay, enable wireless charging. Slap it right here. Oh, it is charging, as you can see. So that works. Now, let's take this one and try that. Nope, nothing. As you can basically hear, there's nothing really happening. Not really a surprise probably for the cost that this phone comes in. Still, there are most certainly better options for this price. So yeah, now let's see what else we got here. Phone, a little bit slow on the opening. Looks about the same. Now mind you that this is still an Android, just a skin on it. Come on, there we go. What else is there? Music. There is nothing here, but want to get the comparison of how it looks like and how quick it opens. Let's see. Ooh, Apple Store. What will open? Google Play. Did I just zoom in? What just happened? Okay, well that's fun. Okay, well that was That was something new. Let's go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi right here. Let's close all this stuff. So oh gosh, this is just painful to use. Hello, device, would you like to work with me? Please cooperate. Oh, there we go. Seriously. Wow, so I'm gonna be able to close all... No apps, I guess. I can't even close the apps. That's... Okay. Okay. I guess I'm unable to close apps. So can't clear it. Oh well. So let's go back to the App Store. See what we get. What is this? Okay, well, that looks super interesting, honestly. Okay, well, let's leave this. Nothing really special here. Now, what else can I say? That you can't see really. This device is just complete trash, so let's name it as it is. And the iPhone is well, definitely better. I'm not a fan of it, but if I would have to choose, I would most certainly prefer to use the real one than the clone. I would actually rather pay someone so I don't have to use this thing. So that's how bad it is. And I guess to summarize, if I would have to say who are the devices for, if you're in the ecosystem of Apple, then this one is not really a brainer. Go ahead. This one, if your enemy gave you this phone, I would still throw it out and rather pay them to take it. So yeah, I'm just gonna do as I say. Really, I put my money where my mouth is. I'm gonna put it in a box here, and I just oh, there we go. Okay, so yeah, that I guess would summarize the experience of this device. It's right where it belongs, in my opinion. And yeah, I mean, you got the gist of it, how painful it is to use, and how it looks like, performs. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.